Hello everybody. So this video is just going to be about how to get an assignment that you've already worked on out of your Google Drive to put it into another assignment. So we have our narrative writing PowerPoint. The first assignment we did with it was brainstorming. Next, we are going to use it to plan out our narrative. So because those are two different assignments, we're going to need to take it back out and use it again. So the first thing that you need to do is go to classwork, and you need to go to the first time you submitted it. If you have submitted it, then you need to click unsubmit. Click that twice. If you have not submitted it, then you do not have to do anything. It should look like this, okay? This is just an example. I'm using the Getting to Know Me presentation, but you'll be using the narrative writing PowerPoint. So it should look just like this. Once it looks like that in the first assignment, in the brainstorming assignment, you are good to go. You are going to go back to your classwork and you're going to go to the assignment that you need it for now. You're going to click View Assignments, and then you're going to go to Add or Create. Once you click Add or Create, you're going to go down to Google Drive. Click that one. And then you may have to search it, but it is going to be somewhere in your Google Drive. So I'm going to click this one because this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to click Insert. And then here it is. Again, it's important that you do not click Turn In for your narrative PowerPoint. If you do, you're going to have to unsubmit every single time. I will be able to see, and I'm going to go through to look through your PowerPoints so you do not have to hit submit.